Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Abdul Bari, lecturer in English, Sonapukur Surubi College, Parbotipur, Dinajpur. Today I would like to talk a most important topic, that is how can you improve your speaking quality and which tips and tricks are most important. Today I will give you 10 tips for improving your spoken English. So I hope that you will follow all these tips and tricks, because if you capture all these tips and tricks, you can also improve your speaking quality. So let's get started and enjoy the class. I have already given 10 tips on the whiteboard. Gradually I will improve all of these points, and I hope that you will try to understand why are these so much important for your improving fluency. First one, speak. If you want to improve your speaking quality, without speaking you never can improve your speaking quality. Every day you have to speak. Question is that with whom can you speak? If you don't get any supporter, then what should you do? You should speak with yourself. You will stand in front of the mirror and you will speak. And how can you understand your speaking is improving day by day? And for this reason, there are some materials, devices, for example Android phone, laptop and many other devices. You will record your voice and later on you will listen. You can easily understand that you are improving or not. So first one, what should you do? You should practice speaking. And if you speak with your partner, with your classmate, with your friend, inshallah I am very much hopeful that within very short time you will develop your speaking quality. So first one, you have to give emphasis on your speaking, and every day you have to speak. Second one, use technology. We know that technology has given a lot of facilities to improve our life. In the concept of speaking quality, it also plays a very vital role. You can ask me question how. I will say, if you have mobile phone, that means Android phone, you can record your voice and you can listen again. And there is online dictionary. If you have any problem, if you have any difficulty to pronounce any word, you can get help from online dictionary. You can easily emphasis or press button on pronunciation and you can hear of its pronunciation and you can develop your fluency as well as your pronunciation. So you have to use technology. You will record your voice, you will record your speaking and you will listen again, and you can also take help from others who are so much expert. Then listen and repeat. At present time, by using Play Store, you can download many apps where you can listen and repeat. At first you listen, then you will repeat. At first you have to listen more and more, and if you listen every day, you will develop your listening power. We know that 4 skills are needed to improve your position: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So if you listen every day, you will develop your listening power. In such a way, you can develop. That means you have to listen first, then you have to repeat. Suppose I am a speaker, you will listen, then you will repeat what I say. Or who is your teacher, you will listen him or her, then you will repeat it. And through this process, you will develop your speaking quality, no doubt. Then come to the point, read out loudly. That means you have to read English newspaper or English history book or many books which are written in English. But when you will read, you have to read it loudly. You can ask me question, why is it necessary to speak loudly? Yes, speak loudly is needed because if you read loudly from other side, sound cannot enter your ear. That means concentration catches more when you read loudly. So little bit loudly you have to read, and it will be helpful for learning English. Then learn a new word or phrase every day. You know that to improve your speaking quality, main material is vocabulary. If you have good command in vocabulary, I want to assure yourself that you can easily develop your speaking quality. Without having good command in vocabulary, it is so much tough to improve your speaking quality. So my recommendation, every day you will memorize minimum 5 words which are very much helpful in our daily life. First one, you have to give emphasis which words are so much important in our practical life. These words you have to capture. Later one, you have to capture situational based words. That means you have to look up dictionaries every day, and new words you have to capture, and by using all these new words you have to develop your speaking quality. Through this process you can acquire your fluency and you will feel happy. Then come to the point, watch videos with subtitles. At present time, most of the young generations watch YouTube and many other channels. My recommendation to you, if you want to improve your speaking quality, you have to watch such a video or those videos which videos are given by using subtitles. If you follow subtitles, it will be very much helpful to understand. You will listen, you will watch, and as well as you will also see. Then you can easily understand. You will develop your listening power, watching power, as well as your reading power, because subtitles are going on. So which videos are run by given subtitles, you have to follow all these videos. Then you can also develop your speaking quality or fluency. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It is the great point that most of the brothers and sisters feel very much shy. They think that if they do mistake, this is a great barrier. I want to ensure yourself that if you want to improve your speaking quality or fluency, you have to mistake, because if you don't mistake, you cannot improve your speaking quality. Every day you have to mistake, and through your mistakes you have to acquire your fluency, and later on gradually you have to decrease or demolish your mistakes. But first one, you have to give emphasis of your fluency. When you will acquire your fluency, inshallah, you can remove your mistakes day by day. But first one, you should remove your sinus. Then focus on English fluency, not grammar. who are Bengalis, they always follow grammar, and by following grammar they speak with others. But I want to give some advice to you. Please don't give emphasis on your grammar. You should give your emphasis on your fluency. And if you practice every day, inshallah, you can improve your fluency. You should not give emphasis on your grammar. By following this, you can develop your fluency and speaking quality, no doubt. Then come to the point of 9, narrate something daily. We can easily narrate something in Bangla because we are Bengali, but if you want to acquire your skill in English, what should you do? You should narrate something every day in English, and if you narrate every day about any topic, by narrating every day, you will gather new vocabularies, new ideas, new thoughts, and you will develop your speaking quality by narrating every day about any topic. So every day you have to narrate something, you have to write something, and through your writing you will develop your writing skill, as well as you will acquire new vocabularies, and through this process you can develop your speaking quality. Then final point, remove your sinus. It is great hindrance for us that sinus is a great barrier. People, what will they say, or what will they say if I mistake something? That means you always think about your mistakes, about your sinus, but if you want to develop, you have to improve and you have to remove all these sinus and mistakes. Day by day, inshallah, you will develop your speaking quality. So dear learners and viewers, I have already given most important 10 top tips which will help you to improve your speaking as well as your fluency. So my recommendation, dear viewers and learners, please follow all these tips and tricks and practice every day. Inshallah, you will develop your speaking quality, and after acquiring this quality, you will feel so much good. And this quality will give so much inspiration to your speaking, to your fluency in English. Thank you very much for watching this class, and finally I will request all of my dear viewers and learners, please subscribe my channel so that you can easily get next videos, and share this video to others so that others also can enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.